Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maurice and I'm building a startup in public. This week we launched our MVP and we onboarded our first 3 customers to our product. How did we get to the customers? So we built a WhatsApp community over the last 1.5 months and we just added value to our ICP. And then we sent a poll and asked if you're interested in having a demo, and 7 people said yes. Also, we went to a great concert session organized by Gezellig. It was on a rooftop of sound. Subscribe to follow along our journey and see you next time.